Hello, I wanted to make a video about this dash camera that I received today. So this one is a 1080 pixel full HD camera. It has front and inside lenses that you should be able to record while you're driving, like outside and inside. It says dual 1080p full HD lenses, and it got G sensor lock, parking monitor, and 170-degree wide angle, which is very good. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, let me open this. All right, so once you open it, you're gonna see two small boxes in it. Okay, and this guy is the camera. Okay, let me just do it this way. All right, and so again, this is your manual. Okay, you would read it. It has English and German and other languages too. It has like very detailed instructions for you to follow, and this is gonna have your like tools to install it, and this is gonna be the camera. Okay, so let me just open the camera first and show you. Okay, and it's good, it's protected. All right, like I mentioned, this would have two lenses, one taking the video outside, and this is gonna be the inside. Okay, so while you're driving, it's gonna be like this. Okay, you're gonna install it like this. So from this screen you would see the outside, but this lens is going to record the inside. Okay, if something happens, that you can have, you know, something to show to police, or at least as a coverage. Okay, you can use it. And this would take the charger, I mean the cigarette charger. Okay, let me show you. That's gonna be here, that it can work. And it also has the mini SD card already installed, so you don't have to worry about it. All right, and now let's see the attachments that you need to use. Okay, so now here is your charger, cigarette charger. You're gonna insert it here. I already have a cigarette charger, but I'm just gonna remove it. This is how you're gonna insert it, but I will show you the steps. Okay, and this is very useful. This is something that you're gonna use to attach the camera to your window here. Okay, and I see some extra cables here, and this blue is the prior that you're gonna use. Let's see if you don't want to see the cables hanging from here, so you're gonna use this blue prior to just, you know, to just carry your cable or this part. Okay, and it's just gonna come from here until here. Now I have my old one, but I'm gonna remove it and install the new one. And you're gonna also have these to, you know, secure your camera. Thank you. Now I'm gonna show you how to install the cigarette charger. So this is it. Okay, you're just going to insert this to that place. Okay, now I don't want to see the cable, you know, hanging over. So what I have done, you need to remove this one. So to do that, just open it like you would open it from this handle, and then just press on these two sides at the same time. Then it's just gonna come down so that it's opened. Okay, now after that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna run your cables. Okay, you see my cable, which is here. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, and my cable is here. Then it's gonna come through here, and then as you can see, it runs from here. You're gonna see the cable. Okay, okay, now you see that it runs from here all the way up, and now it's here. Okay, so now I'm just going to put it to this side, and then I will just complete it. Okay, so now it's gonna come through here, and it's gonna continue from here, and it will just go down to the recorder. Okay, now I'm just gonna continue to hide these, but yeah, this is the way how you can hide the cable. But if you don't want it, I know some people might, some people don't want to do that, but it's okay. You can just hang the cable, the charger cable here. That would be okay. All right, now I'm going to show you how to attach the holders to the dash cam. So you're going to receive two holders like this, and then both will have this part. Okay, this is the part where you're gonna attach to the dash cam. Okay, so it's gonna go to this place where you see. Okay, make sure you attach it like this, and then don't leave it like this. It's not safe. You're gonna have to push this one down like this, and make sure that you heard that noise so that it's safe. It doesn't fall down. You see, it's not gonna fall down. Okay, and you can remove it like the other way. You can push it to other way like this. Now it just came out, and you do the same thing for this guy too. Make sure this one goes into this place, and then okay, apply some force, and then it's good, it's safe. So these two, you see these two, this one has red film on it, and this one has also red one here. Okay, you just remove the film, and then you're gonna be able to attach these to anywhere. Let me show you the other one. Okay, you just peel this red film here, okay, like this, and then you're gonna attach this to anywhere. It can go to your windshield or dash, anywhere in your car. All right, and I'm gonna remove it back so you can see it. Apply some force, heard the noise, that's good. Same thing to this guy, put it down, you heard the noise, so it's safe. Now, okay, I just removed it. Thank you. Oh, it's time to show you some features and some settings so that you can change, like you want to set the time and change the date, etc. Okay, so you see that there are some buttons here. So this is the button to turn this dash cam on or off. This is the OK button, and this one is the left arrow button. This is your menu button, and this is your right arrow button. Now let me turn this one on, so by just pressing on this button once. Okay, here once. Okay, now here the first thing that you might want to do, change the view. Okay, so how to do that? You see this left arrow here, just press once. Now you see half of the screen is showing outside, and half is showing me like this. Okay, and then you can just press again to show the full. Okay, it's gonna show the outside full, and now I will change that. Now you see me. Okay, it's the full screen. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one as it is. After this, I'm gonna show you how to go to menu and change some settings that you have. So as of now, as you can see, it's recording. So that red button, red dot is just disappearing and appearing, so meaning that it's recording. So to stop that, you're gonna press on this OK button once, and then go to menu, just press on this once, so you're gonna be able to see the options. Now stop the recording, go to menu. Okay, now okay, you have options to select and change. So for example, how to change the resolution. Once you select something, just hit OK, and you have options. So either use left or right arrows to change anything. Let's say I want to choose the first option. Let's say if you want to choose the second option, then what you're gonna do, or the third option, you're gonna select that and then just press on OK to select it. Okay, now I'll go back to the one that I liked. So okay, and the others are same. Okay, so let's just go and change something. Okay, so for example, let's say audio recording. Okay, so let's say if you want your videos to have audio recording, you're gonna come here and then turn this one on, but I'm not gonna turn this one on. I'll keep it as off. So I just hit OK to go back, and you have some other settings too, like date stamp. You want date stamp to be on the videos, of course, yes. Hit OK, and then it says you have two options, on or off. So I'm keeping this one as on, so I hit OK, and then go to the next one. G sensor, I kept this one as on too. Parking monitor, yeah, do you want this one too? So I just keep it on, hit OK, and then resolution. Okay, I think you can also change these settings too, like, let me show you more settings. Language or beep sound. So beep sound, I turn this one off. I don't want to hear it, but if you want to test it, just turn this one on, like I'm gonna do right now, and see what's gonna happen. You see, you hear the noise, so I don't want that. I'll go back and I'll change that. Okay, hit OK now. Now you're not gonna hear it. Language, you have some languages to choose. Date and time. So this is important. Okay, make sure that you, let's say if it's 6 p.m. you're gonna choose 18, because this is using military time. Okay, so again, if it's like 6 p.m. you're gonna choose 18. I mean, if it's more than like 12, then you're gonna add the time. Yes, if it's like 1 p.m. it's gonna be 13. So make sure to use that format. Okay, now I'm gonna go back, hit OK. Okay, let's just go back. So to just exit from this view, you're gonna press on this menu. Now everything's good. Okay, all right, thank you. All right, as of now everything is good. I have installed it and changed all the settings. Now when you start your car, you're gonna see that it's going to start immediately. Okay, you see that? Now it's recording. Okay, I'll show you some recordings after this. Okay, so the good thing is that this one has a 64 gigabyte SD card in it, so that you don't have to worry about it. You're gonna have a lot of videos. Okay, thank you. It's time to show you some videos from the dashcam. So what you need to do is, this is your SD card that comes with your dashcam. So make sure to remove this one from your dashcam, and then you need a SD card reader, anything that you can use. So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna insert this, okay, to the SD card reader, and then you're gonna see the videos. Let me insert it, then come back. All right, I have inserted my SD card reader to the Mac now, and I opened it, and now I see a folder called DCIM. Expand it, and you're gonna see two more folders, 1 and 2. So 1, the videos are from outside, okay, and the folder 2 will have videos from inside. Okay, so now let me open one of the video and show you the quality. Okay, so let's just scroll down, and as you can see, it's going to show the date so that it will be easier for you to find out. So I'm going to open this guy, okay, from 7:30 a.m. So one thing to show you that it has the date stamp along with the timing. Okay, so you would know what happened. Okay, so now let's just play this guy. It was raining today. So it's beautiful. I see all the details. Okay. And I have turned off the audio recording, so that's why you don't hear anything. So you have an option to turn that off. Let's say if you don't want your voice to be recorded, and you can turn that off. Mine is off, that's why you don't hear anything. Okay. And after this, we're gonna see a video from inside. I think this is enough, so you see all the details. Okay, let me just close this. Okay, again, the videos from inside of our car, they will be under this folder called 2. So let's find something from today. I'm gonna open this one. Okay, now let's play this guy. All right, again, this is from today and it was rainy. All right, it has the date and the timestamp, and it shows all the details. All right, thank you.